Again, hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to change the transmission fluid of my 10th gen Honda Civic. And according to the owner's manual, you have to replace your transmission fluid after 96,000 kilometers. Then after that, it's every 48,000. Okay? Or actually, your maintenance minder will throw the codes, and that code will be code number 3, as you can see on the dash. Okay, so the tools and parts needed for this transmission fluid change are plug washers, okay, 3/8 ratchet with the 12mm socket, and funnel, torque wrench, and oil drain pan. And of course, you're gonna be needing 4 bottles of HCF-2 transmission fluid. You can buy it in any Honda dealership here in Canada. It's $32 per bottle. Okay, let's start. So these are the screws that I removed, okay, and this is the oil sheet. So I need already position the oil drain pan, but before you remove the plug there at the bottom, let's remove the plug here too on the top. As you can see there, it says HCF2. Okay, let's pull it out. Okay, just pull it straight. Okay, just keep it on the side for now. Okay, it's the old one, and I'm gonna replace it with the brand new. Okay, I already put the new washer. I can put the new one now. So I suggest just put 3 liters for now, 3 bottles for now. Okay, so there's a check bolt there. You need a 12mm to loosen it. You need to loosen it because you need to know if you have enough oil, so the excess oil will drip here. So this is the last. I'm gonna fill it up. Usually half of the bottle is good enough. Okay, let's check. Okay, it doesn't drip that much. Plug. Let's put the plug. And then just put this back, then you're good to go. We're back inside the car. Now we need to circulate the fluid. Okay, in order to do that, you have to turn the engine on. Okay, press the engine on and then make sure that your foot is in the brake pedal. Okay, like I've said, the fluid needs to be recirculated. Okay, at least 3 seconds on all the gears. Okay, that's just basically it. Now we're done with the fluid circulation. Okay, then the code is still there. Now we have to remove that one. See that number 3 there? Okay, now we need to go to settings. After settings, go to vehicle. Okay, and then maintenance info, and then that is transmission oil. That's number 3. Reset items. Okay, and then press this transmission oil, and then reset. Okay, that's it. I already reset the code for the transmission. As you can see, it's not there anymore, and also here at the dash. Okay, and that is all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way, and see you in the next video.